Hello, welcome. Join me as we provide answer to this question. In the diagram, the line PQ is parallel to the line ST. We have to find the value of x. Don't forget this angle here is a reflex angle. When added to this angle here, the two together will give us 360 angles meeting at the point. So we need to know what value this angle will give us. Then with this line here, we can find this angle. This could also be equal to this. But first, let's introduce a straight line here, which will be parallel to both the line PQ and ST. If that is true, then here we can find this angle as 40 degrees, angles on a straight line. Then, if angle on a straight line give us 40, this place will also be 40. That will be alternate angles, right? This angle is alternate to this angle. Now, this straight line here being parallel to this will provide this angle to be corresponding to the 35. So this angle is corresponding to 35, or this angle is equal to this by vertically opposite, and vertically opposite angle here will be equal to this by alternate angle. So we can say that 35 plus 40 plus x will give us 360 degrees. So in the case of this, we'll be having 75, right? So x equals to 360 minus 75. So x will be giving us 60 from here. We have 285 degrees. So the value of the angle marked x here will be 285 degrees. Now, in the bearing of, if the bearing of Q from P is 120, find the bearing of P from Q. That's the back bearing. So here, what we do is that if you are having a back bearing and the angle given to us theta is less than 180, you add it to 180, meaning the angle is going to be theta plus 180, and the theta is the angle 120 plus 180, that will be 300 degrees. But this is just direct method. This is section A. So we can use this approach to get the answer. Or let's make a sketch. Since we are having the bearing of Q from P, this is where the measurement starts from. So I take the point P from the north, measure all the way to have, this is my P. This is going to be 90. If I am looking for 120, it means I am adding 30 degrees. So from here, I can have here to be 30 degrees plus 90 degrees will be giving me 120. That simply means the point Q is going to be here, having it north from here. And this line, west-east is going to be parallel to each other. So if they are parallel, then the angle here will also be 30 because it will be alternating angle. So the bearing of P from, this is the north, this is the north. So the bearing of P from Q, meaning you go to the north of Q and measure until you meet the line joining the 2 points. So in this case, the bearing of P, right, from Q is going to be, this area will be 90 degrees. Let me just say 90 plus 90 plus 90. That will be 270 degrees plus 30 degrees, and that gives us the 300 degrees we had in the beginning. So we can get this by diagram, or we just, since the angle theta given to us is less than 180, we add it to 180 to get the back bearing. All right. I believe this is clear. Don't forget to share, like, and comment. Bye-bye.